Hi again. We are talking about fuel today and fires. Obviously you can get some matches and just some cotton balls. I've got some tea lights here. You can just put in a Ziploc bag. Another option is a flint and a little thing to strike it with. And also you want it to light really fast and really easily. So I just bought some fire starter. Another thing you'll probably want is some Sterno, which I put in this first aid kit, but they're little Sterno cans. Those will stay lit for quite a long time. If you want to put them out, just put the lid back on. Glow sticks. I just always buy a few every time there's a holiday. Somehow I got this flashlight. It's a crank flashlight, or you can just keep having extra batteries on hand. Obviously, I mentioned that we have headlamps for our grab-and-go 3-minute kit. This little fun flashlight is also a lantern. So I'm going to blend myself real quick here. Woo! And so there are a lot of options for light and heat sources, and I will let you have fun with that. All right, when you're done making this kit, you can put it in the bin with all of the other stuff, your tools and equipment. And I just have that under food and comfort or food and cooking. You can call it whatever you'd like. And just stick this all in there with it. All right, talk to you next time. Bye.